how to use Helium 10 black box for product research. Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use Helium 10 black box for product research. So let's get started. First of all, open your Helium 10 dashboard, and over here when you are redirected to the Helium 10 dashboard, you can go and search for Amazon bestsellers. Now here you can see that some of the bestsellers of Amazon, now under the category of kitchen and dining, these are the top sellers, and then under the category of sports and outdoors, these are the top sellers. So you can just see the top sellers of Amazon right now, and then go back to your Helium 10. Now over here in dashboard, you'll be able to see navigation panel at the top. So you're just going to click on tools. Once you click on tools, you can see black box under my favorites. If you cannot find black box under your favorite section, then you can search for black box under product research section. Here you'll be able to see black box. You can star it for it to become in favorites. Once you click on black box, you will be redirected to the Helium 10 black box interface. Now here are the product filters. You can just go and select keywords in order to avail the keywords filters. So once you click on keywords filters, you'll be able to see various filters over here. Now the first thing is search volume. So it is the estimated number of searches from the previous 30 days. So you can just select any minimum search volume, so that you don't want your product to have less searches than 5,000. You want them to have greater searches than 5,000, and then you can select the search volume as per demand. For example, I'm gonna search for like 5000, like I just want my product to be very hot on Amazon right now. Here you can select the monthly revenue, that is estimated average revenue from the previous 30 days. So you can just select any of it, the minimum and max, you can just specify it. And after that comes the price. So you can, after setting monthly revenue, you can just select it, any of it according to your own choice. And after setting the monthly revenues less and greater, you can just select price. Now the price is the average price of the product. Now if you have a very low budget, you have to set a minimum price so that it is easy for everyone to buy. Now I've set 35 because my budget is 35. You can select any maximum price according to your own choice. Now this is the review count. It is the average number of reviews in the last 30 days. And this is the review rating, that what is the review of the top products, and here is the word count, like what is the word count of the keywords. After those filters, there are some advanced filters like categories. Now you can select any of the categories. For example, here are different categories written over here. Now if you scroll down, for example, I'm gonna select this one, that is kitchen and dining. So I'm gonna search for kitchen and dining among this list that is over here. And after selecting kitchen and dining, you can select for other keywords. Now you can see these are the Stanley. Now you can either specify what keywords you want to search for, or we can just write down the keyword specifically, or you can just let it be and just filter all of the top products of this category. And then there are other options like exclude keywords, shopping size tier, number of sellers, and variation count, monthly sales, bestsellers rank. So it all depends on you, what you want and what you don't. You can just add filters according to your own choice. And then there is title density, broad research potential, competitor revenue, competitor reviews, and also competitor ratings. So here let's come to competitor reviews. This is the min or maximum number of top 10 ranking products of keywords search results that have more than the selected estimated revenue in the last 30 days. So you can just select any from the combo box. Like for example, I've selected more than 250. I want my competitor revenue to be more than 250. You can set any min and max for that. And then there is competitor reviews. Now what it actually does is that if you select combo box less than 50, now for every less than 50 reviews, the min reviews should be 6. So you can just select according to your own choice so that your product can rank well and that people are searching for your product and reviewing it well. After that, just click on search, and once you click on search, it will take 1 to 2 seconds to load. And now here are all of the kitchen and dining products that it was a category which I selected. here are all the top products of those categories. So for example, if you can just scroll down to the list and find any product that is very feasible for you and that lies under your budget. For example, I'm going to select this Christmas mugs bulk. It is a Christmas mugs in bulk. So over here you can see three dots, so just click on it and then click on view in Amazon. So once you click on view in Amazon, you can see all of the top products under these categories. Now here you can see these are the Christmas mugs, but these are in bulk. That means that you can buy it like dozen of them, or like 2 dozens of them, or like 20 or 15. Now here are like Le Creuset mug. Just click on these three dots and then view on Amazon. And over here you can see that these are the mugs that you can buy, and these are the top filtered products that people are buying right now. So yeah, these were some top black box product research settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.